Hello everybody, this is Mansouri from Mansouri Immigration Firm in downtown Vancouver. In this video, I'm going to go over the online process of applications for LMIA, some tips and tricks, some steps and procedures, how to apply for LMIA through the online portal, and what to expect when you submit your applications. First of all, as you know, in past year, LMI went through an online phase, but not an online portal per se. So you had to email your application to LMI Processing Center, and they used to assess your application. They used to check everything. They get back to you via email or phone call or letter. But right now there is a pilot LMI online application open to every different pathways for LMIA. First, you have to have your job bank account. So as you know, if you want to apply for LMIA, you need to post advertisements in different job posting platforms, and the most important one is job bank for the government of Canada. So if you have your job bank credentials and accounts, whether you're a representative, you linked your clients to your portal, or your self-rep, you have your portal and your credentials in job bank, you can log into online LMI account. The credentials are the same, so anything you use to log into job bank, now you can use to log into online portal for LMI applications for Service Canada. So when you log in, you have to choose whether or not you want to submit the application to support a permanent residency for your future employee, or it's a high wage, a low wage, whether it's like seasonal or agricultural, different pathways. When you choose that, you have to provide some information from your side as an employer, or if you're a representative, you have to put information from your side as a representative and the employer side. Then you fill out the applications. Instead of paper application that we used to do for years before, you have to put everything online. It's more like a responsive application. So when you choose something, a new page will come up, and you have to enter more information. After you finish giving every information you have, there is a checklist to upload documents. So that's a tricky part. There won't be a checklist per se that tell you what to upload and what not to upload. Just there are some slots open for you to upload your documents. So you need to have your own checklist. It's very important. Make sure that you don't forget anything. If you post advertisement in 5 different platforms, make sure that you have it ready. If your business or if your client's business have a attestation from a lawyer or CPA, make sure that you have your own checklist. When you submit everything, there is no fee to be paid in the first phase. After a couple of days, you will receive an email from Service Canada that says that regarding your online application for LMIA, now you can go ahead, we check everything's okay, now you can go ahead and pay your application fee. So you re-log into your portal in LMIA, online LMIA, and you pay the application fee. You have to wait, like usual. Hopefully after a couple of months, they will contact you, and if you're the owner of the business or point of contact for Service Canada, they will contact you via phone or via email and request a interview for you. An interview would be on the phone, as you know. Sometimes they will give you a heads up. They will ask you to call them. They will ask you to provide a phone number, and they will call you. An officer will call you. Sometimes they just call you right away. So if you don't have time to speak and talk to them, when they call you, you can tell them to call you back maybe tomorrow or the same day in the afternoon. And after that, you will receive the decision letter, hopefully via email, which is faster, or via post. So I hope that you use this information in your future online application. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Have a great day.